Hello my dear lovely students, welcome all of you to English class. In the previous class, we have discussed about adverbs. But today, we will discuss question answer of exercise 7 from your workbook. So, let's start. Are you ready? Good. First you see, translate into English. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन से कामटी चंचल करदेला से कामटी चंचल करदेला हु कैन से हियर चंचल मीन्स क्विकली चंचल मीन्स क्विकली हु कैन से यस वेरी गुड ही डिड द वर्क क्विकली He did the work quickly. Okay. The next question. गछटी एते डेंगा जे चढ़ी हेब नाही गछटी एते डेंगा जे चढ़ी हेब नाही Who can say? Yes. Very good. The tree is too tall to climb on. Okay, clear? Next, अंकटी मु कसी पारिबा भली सहज नथिला Who can say yes? अंक means sum. Here अंक means sum. Tell me, who can say yes? The sum was not so easy to be solved by me. Okay. The next question. सकाळे व्यायाम करिबा हितकर सकाळे व्यायाम करिबा हितकर हितकर मीन्स सैल्यूटरी व्यायाम एक्सरसाइज सकाळे in the morning. Tell me, you can say. Very good. The exercise is salutary in the morning. The exercise is salutary in the morning. Clear? Very good. Then the next question. आम दल जितिबा निश्चिंत आम दल जितिबा निश्चिंत Who can say yes? निश्चिंत means here certain. Who can say it is certain that our team will win. Okay. The next question. सीता भल भावरे गीतटी गाइला सीता भल भावरे गीतटी गाइला गीतटी द सन हियर भल भावरे मीन्स ब्यूटीफुली ओके हु कैन से देन हु कैन से द आंसर विल बी सीता sang the song beautifully. Clear? Sita sang the song beautifully. Okay? Very good. The next. माधवी लंबा चुटी रखीची माधवी लंबा चुटी रखीची Who can say? Here लंबा चुटी means long hair. लंबा चुटी means long hair. Tell me. Madhavi has got the long hair. Madhavi has got long hair. Okay, clear? Then next question. मु केबे डंगारे नई पार होई नाही Who can say? मु केबे डंगारे नई पार होई नाही Who can say? Yes, very good. I have never crossed a river in a boat. Next question. ସେ ଏ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ମୋ ଟଙ୍କା ଫେରାଇ ନାହିଁ। ସେ ଏ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ମୋ ଟଙ୍କା ଫେରାଇ ନାହିଁ। Who can say? The answer will be he has not returned my money yet. ଏ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ means yet. ସ୍କୁଲରେ ତୁମର କେତେ ଥର ପରୀକ୍ଷା ହୁଏ? ସ୍କୁଲରେ ତୁମର କେତେ ଥର ପରୀକ୍ଷା ହୁଏ? Who can say? Very good. Here କେତେ ଥର means how often. କେତେ ଥର means how often. The answer will be how often do you have examination at school? Okay, clear? Question number 2. Fill using a suitable adverb given. Loudly, tomorrow, yearly, when, hard, absolutely, to, where. Okay, the first question number 2a. Dash do you come to school? Who can say? You put suitable adverb. You can put suitable adverb when. The answer will be when do you come to school? When do you come to school? Okay, good. The next question B. I will do this dash. I will do this dash. You can say you put suitable adverb. I will do this tomorrow. Okay, clear? The next question number C. Your answer is dash right. You put suitable adverb. Yes, you can say. Very good. The suitable adverb is absolutely. Okay, the answer will be your answer is absolutely right. Next question number D. Speak dash to the class. Speak dash to the class. You put suitable adverb. You can put suitable adverb loudly. Okay, speak loudly to the class. Okay, clear? The next question number E. That boy is dash young to go to school. You can say that boy is dash young to go to school. You can say yes, very good. Too. That boy is too young. That boy is too young to go to school. Okay. Question number F. He gets off dash every day. He gets off dash every day. You can say you put adverb, suitable adverb. Very good. Yearly. He gets off yearly every day. Okay, clear? Question number G. Dash does your uncle live? You can say you put suitable adverb. Very good. Where does your uncle live? Question number H. He tried dash but failed. You can say put suitable adverb. Good. Hard. Clear? He tried hard but failed. Last question. Okay. Our teacher teaches dash. You can say our teacher teaches dash. You put suitable adverb. You can say yes. Good, very good. Loudly. Our teacher teaches loudly. Clear? Class is over. Thank you.